पापा की पढ़ी, बट फॉर बॉयज वी लिसन माँ का
आज
मगरमच्छ।
सोचिएगा जाकर घर पे ये चीज, थिंक
Every
अबाउट
people
इट।
can गाली देते लोग बॉयज को।
Girls are also emotion. Can you go ससुराल?
We talk about topics, issues, problems, and every topic is spoken for improving our English, right? Our language. Today again we are going to do that, but we have some different agenda, and that is to understand the real feelings of two genders, a man and a woman. लड़कियां कहती है कि सारी परेशानियां मेरे साथ हैं, और लड़के कहते हैं कि सारी परेशानियां मेरे साथ हैं। लड़कियों को ये प्रॉब्लम है कि लड़के हमारी प्रॉब्लम नहीं समझते, और लड़कों को भी यही प्रॉब्लम है, मेरी कौन सुनता है, मेरी प्रॉब्लम कौन समझता है। और ये बात ना ये लड़का वर्सेस लड़की नहीं है, बॉयज वर्सेस गर्ल्स नहीं है, औरत वर्सेस मर्द नहीं है। वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द रियलिटी ऑफ द सोसाइटी. We are going to talk about the real emotion of the society. A man can talk about a woman today, and a woman can talk about a man today. Ladies and gentlemen, every day you talk just English, but today you will talk your emotion. You will talk your feeling. You will have to keep your heart out to express what you feel. Being a boy is not easy. Being a girl is not easy. But the problem is that I don't understand a woman's problem, and a woman doesn't understand my problem, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, today, please show your emotion, show your expression, show your feelings, okay? And let the world think, really do we succeed being human being till now? क्या हम 21वीं सदी में इतना डेवलप हो चुके हैं कि एक मर्द एक औरत की इज्जत कर सके और एक औरत एक मर्द की इज्जत कर सके? दिस वर्ल्ड कैनॉट बी इन द एग्जिस्टेंस विदाउट दिस two genders, but they are fighting every day. Why? Why are we doing this thing? You will get the answer of this why today if you watch the video completely. It's my promise to you. But for this, you need to open your heart. If you really want to understand what are we doing, what is the meaning of humanity, what is the meaning of being human being, you will understand after this video. I know you don't have time for good things. But if you really want to understand the big challenge of the world, you must watch the video till the last moment. Okay? And I won't say you to like, okay, this video. If you don't like, dislike, but give your opinion. It's very important. And listen to these beautiful speakers, okay? And they are going to speak English, and they are going to improve their English through this beautiful piece of feelings. Now your time has come. I'm not going to tell the names, okay? Some boys and some girls. लड़का लड़की के बारे में बोल सकता है, उसके दर्द के बारे में बोल सकता है, और एक लड़की लड़के के बारे में बोल सकता है. It's all your call. Please. Now start this beautiful thing, okay? Yes, give a huge round of applause to Mr. Kaushik. आज बिना मुस्कुराए, तो एक शेर है ना, बाद में बोली क्योंकि भूल गए. यस, थैंक यू. यस. No good morning, no good afternoon. Start your point, okay?
Oh wow! My wife born a boy. Now I got a labor in my house.
Connected.
Guys, this is the reality of our society. If a baby boy born, people says, बाप के कंधों का बोझ उठाने वाला आ गया. Is this right?
Yeah.
This is not right, but this is harsh reality of society. Guys, we all the time listen. Boys are not good. Boys are very bad. Just tell me, are you good or bad? Are every boys bad? No. We all the time speak one thing. You are a boy. You are not allowed to laugh. You are not allowed to cry. You are not allowed to happy. You are not allowed to be sad. In short, we are not allowed to express our emotion. Guys, we live in country India. India is democratic country. India is run by constitution. But are we follow the rule? Are we follow the Article 14 equality? No. There are lots of cases where only women are allowed to be free. If I talk about section 375 rape case, in that section it is directly written only men will be go to prison. Women are not anywhere in this case. Tell me why. Tell me why. From this society we listen पापा की परी, but for boys we listen माँ का मगरमच्छ. What is this? Like, what is this? Are we really मगरमच्छ? If we fall on the road, people will not come to help us. People will not come to give water, give medicine, but they will put their mobile out and they will start making video. Just tell me, I'm not a human being. Boys are not a human being. Guys, you forgot. He is only the man who earn money and give you. If a woman earn money in a house, she don't give a single price to their family, their husband. But if a man earn money, he give money to his wife, his son, his father, his uncle, auntie, everyone. What is happening, guys? Guys, there are lots of cases. If I talk about domestic violence case, article Domestic Violence Act 2005. In that article, if a woman cased against any man will be arrested. But if that man is innocent, there is no any action against woman. What is this, guys? Means I think now constitution is doing this discrimination between boys and girls. Girls all the time cry in their houses about dowry. But can you answer me? Did they pay dowry from their own money? A boy, his brother, his father, his uncle earned money. खून पसीने की मेहनत की कमाई. He gave the money, not the woman gave the money. If I talk about the custodies law, according to the constitution, there is equality, but when the case goes to court, judge always make their decision in the favor of women. A boy can't take care of his son, of his daughter. Only women are ready to take care. Are we not human being? Are we not human being? We all the time face a lot of problem. Let me give a short example of everyone families. From our father or grandfather, we listened a story. 3 गांव दूर मेरा स्कूल था, रास्ते में एक नदी था, नदी तैर के जाते थे. But have we ever heard from our mother? 3 गांव दूर मेरा स्कूल था, रास्ते में नदी था, हम तैर के जाते थे. It is the part of society only boys have to face all the issues. Guys, there are lots of cases in that boys face a lot. But have we ever listened about that news? No. But if there is any cases against girls, there are lots of newses. Why?
Why? Tell me, please.
Why society are not talking about the boys, the pain of boys? Just take care of my question. Bring your answer. I will be back here again with your answer. Thank you. Thank you so much.
हाँ, सोचने पे मजबूर हो गए ना. लड़कों के दर्द को कितने लोग सुनते हैं. How many people listen to the boys, and boys are not able to speak. Not able to speak? They are not allowed to speak actually. उसको बोलने की इजाजत ही नहीं है. A boy are not supposed to cry. If a boy cries, people say, क्यों लड़की की तरह रोते हो? That's why, the heart attack rate in men is more than women. They bury their pain into their heart. They cannot express it. Boys, लड़का होना आसान है. It's not easy. Being a boy, being a man is not easy. Go and ask to the family who has no boys, no men in their family. How do the world see those families? किस तरीके से दुनिया उस परिवार को देखती है जिस परिवार में मर्द नहीं होता है. The world disrespect the family of that man if they are dead before time. So, ladies and gentlemen, respect boys also. Okay? Now, I want to call some other students and I request you one thing. Keep short. Please, come fast. Share your feelings, okay? And at last, don't say that, okay, I have not been given chances. Who is there? Is there anyone who wants to share their feelings? Please. क्या मजाक चल रहा है यार? Should I give you that dabat? You must show what you feel. It's not a speech program today. It's expression program today. We always speak just words and ideas and content, okay? We want to work on the words and sentences. But today, I'm trying to make you the speaker, okay? Those who make the people cry. Those who can make the people think. Your voice should have pain. Your voice should have anger. Your voice should have love. Everybody is talking about boys. Support boys today. Why? What happened with you? What do you think? What do you see in a girl? Tell me. लड़कों की सीरत देखते हो तुम. लड़का कितना अक्लमंद है. लड़कियों को क्या देखते हो? लड़कियों की सीरत के अलावा हर चीज देखते हो. You watch everything in a girl. Why? We objectify the girl. We understand a girl an object. लड़कियों को सिर्फ हम एक सामान समझते हैं, एक ऑब्जेक्ट समझते हैं in 21st century. How much gap? Every day you listen the news about a crime against woman. Why? Does she have no life? Does she have no pain? Does she not breathe? Is she not responsible for the society? Is she not responsible for your family? Is she not important for your family? Tell me, without her, can a parivar, can a family be understood? Really? Still we are thinking, girls, boys, what is this? 21वीं सदी में आज भी हम यही सोच रहे हैं. Come on, everybody! Change your mindset today. And this message has to be vivid and clear. Girls, share this message with everyone. Okay? And boys, एक भी आदमी नहीं बचना चाहिए इस वीडियो को देखे बिना अपने सोसाइटी में. पता है समझ में नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि इंग्लिश में है. That's not a problem, but your emotion will express everything. I'm telling you today. All right. So now I want a girl to come on the stage. Is there anyone who wants to speak about herself or himself? Okay, him. Okay, come please. Okay. और दुख में लड़की होना ही दुख. See, this smile is speaking a lot. डर लगता है ना?
Yes, sir.
कहाँ? अपने ही देश में.
Yes, sir.
लगता है ना? अपने ही घर में लगता है ना? अपने ही गांव में लगता है ना डर? किन से लगता है? अपनों से ही लगता है ना? Why? Are you free seriously?
No, sir.
Is a girl free?
No, sir.
She may be others' daughter, but इसी तरीके की एक लड़की आपके घर में होती है, वो बहन होती है. Okay? Understand about it. लड़कों, किसी लड़की को बहन के रूप में देख करके देखो, they will behave with you like sister. और लड़कियों, आपको भी कहना चाहता हूँ, हर लड़का गलत नहीं होता है.
Yes.
Understand the boy, brother, he will protect you. But give the same respect. Okay? Yes, ma'am. Please. Okay? Feelings, okay? All right, please.
Where are girls safe in the world? At home, at school, on the way, and only written the law's paper. Tell me. Everywhere girls not safe. And girls, they don't see my talent. They don't see my mind. They only see my body. Why? Am I not a girl? I am only an object? No. I am not a burden. I am not an object. I am a human being. School, I protect myself. In college, I protect my dignity. Why? I'm a girl. I grow up in childhoods, and in childhood we skip. In marriage we skip. Why? And when a girl was born, society said, "Ladki hui hai." And when that time when a boy was born, लड़का हुआ है. एंड ये मेरे बुढ़ापे का सहारा हुआ है. और लड़की तो पराई है, लड़की चली जाएगी. Why? People say.
I don't want to speak actually, okay? But लड़कियों के लिए सबसे मुश्किल काम पता है क्या होता है? The biggest problem for a girl. जिस घर में वो पैदा होती है 20 साल 22 साल के बाद वो घर उसका अपना नहीं होता है. It is not her house. It is not her house. Think about your sister, okay? It is not her house. और जब उसे ये कहा जाता है कि ये घर तुम्हारा नहीं है, and she becomes a guest in her own house. और ये चिड़िया कितने पिंजरे बदलेगी? How many cages will this bird change? परिवार रूपी पिंजरा, ससुराल रूपी पिंजरा, स्कूल रूपी पिंजरा, कॉलेज रूपी पिंजरा, हर जगह सिर्फ इनके नसीब में पिंजरा ही पिंजरा होता है. Why? अगर एक lady after marriage, she say that I want to go to my father's house, my mother's house, everybody from her sasural says that no, you cannot go there. Why is that so? Think about it. You will cry about it. A girl where you were born, okay? Where you were born. Girls, I want to talk to you. जहाँ तुम पैदा हुए हो वो तुम्हारा अपना घर नहीं है. Okay, that is not your own house. और जहां तुम जाओगे वो भी तुम्हें पता नहीं है कि कौन सा घर जाओगे. Think about it
This
today.
side, okay?
Think
Can you
about today. What is this? सोच के देखो. अगर तुम्हें ये कह दिया जाए कि जिस घर में तुम पैदा हो लड़कों, ये तुम्हारा अपना नहीं होगा, ये तुम्हारा अपना नहीं है, जिंदा ही मर जाओगे. कितना दर्द सहती है यार ये. और तुम बाहर में जब जाती है तो उसको इज्जत नहीं करते. Why? Tell me. Do you have sisters? Do you have mother? आज सोचिएगा जाकर घर पे ये चीज. Think about it. कितना सेक्रीफाइस करती है यार, कितना. How much sacrifice does she do? कितना सेक्रीफाइस करती है. And you're talking about girls should not be given chance. Okay, नहीं कर सकते तुम इतना सेक्रीफाइस. A boy, you cannot do this much. घर में रहती है वो जरूर, बट वो कैद है वो उसके लिए. वो कैद है. 4 बाउंड्री में ही लोग कैद नहीं होता है. Okay. I want to call anyone who can talk about anyone. Please come.